Fáilte don Oban agus go program a dich. Welcome to Oban and program 10 of Speaking Your Language. Oban is an important centre for tourism and yachting and has been a popular resort since Victorian times. It's also one of the main gateways to the islands, and ferries depart here daily for a number of islands including Mull, Tiree and Barra. This week we'll be looking at how to take your leave or to say goodbye in Gaelic. In previous programmes we've used the phrases cheery and marshin leave for goodbye. People often add indrasta just now as well. So you get cheery indrasta and marshin leave indrasta. Bye for now.
Marshin leave iain. Marshin leave agus tapilif. Marshin leave a drasta.
Marshin leave iain.
Cheery and drasta.
Cheery.
Cheery. Cheerio. Cheery. Cheery and drasta. Cheerio just now. Cheery and drasta. Marshin leave. Bye. Marshin leave. Marshin leave and drasta. Bye for now. Marshin leave and drasta.
Cheery maha.
Cheery.
Cheery maha. Bye then. Cheery maha. Of course, people often excuse themselves by saying they have to go. Féimi me fall off. I must go. Féimi me fall off.
Ha. Kerst me ha. Fim me falla. Gleva. Marshin leave. Ha mi dulich. Tukin me ha.
Gaidhlig. Fim me fall off. I thought Kerst me ha. Marshin leave and drast.
Kerst me ha. Hai ook good. Fim me fall off.
Dag blatte graai.
Cheery me ha.
Cheery.
Féimi me fall off. I must go. Féimi me fall off.
People will often apologise as well and say ha mi dulich. I'm sorry. Ha mi dulich.
Kerst me ha. Ha mi dulich. Fim me falla. Gleva. Marshin leave. Ha mi dulich. Tukin me ha.
Ha mi dulich. Fim me fall off. I thought Kerst me ha. Marshin leave and drast.
Kerst me ha. Ha me dulich. Ach, fim me fall off. Hai ook good.
Dag blatte graai.
Cheery me ha.
Cheery.
Alles morgen. Hallo, Grij. Een draaste. Kerst me ha. Cheery. Ha mi tulich ach féimi me fall af.
Kerst me ha. Slaan leave.
Slaan leave.
The phrase used for goodbye in that last situation was slan leave. Slan leave, which is more formal than marshin leave or cheery.
Alles morgen. Hallo, Grij. Een draaste. Kerst me ha. Cheery. Ha mi tulich ach féimi me fall af.
Kerst me ha. Slaan leave.
Slaan leave.
Look out for swan leave in our drama, Ek in Teich, and also the phrase Aiche va, good night. Aiche va.
O fwf gaf my leisgal. O fwf, ham I dwlich I faddi anna. Fe mi falaf.
Marsin lecht íon, marsin lecht a bhaine anna. Ar sin líomh.
Marsin leat a bhaine, marsin leat íon.
Marsin leat a charol. Eintje waar bil.
Aiche bha.
Aintje bha.
Cheery, slán líomh.
Eintje ba. Ja, graag.
Eiche va. Good night. Eiche va.
When the MacLeod's friends were leaving, everyone said mar sin leth to each other. Mar sin leth, as opposed to the more formal mar sin leave. But notice Mr. MacLeod still used mar sin leave when he was talking to more than one person.
Marsin lecht íon, marsin lecht a bhaine anna. Ar sin líomh.
Marsin leat a bhaine, marsin leat íon.
Marsin leat a charol. Eintje waar bil.
Aiche bha.
Aintje bha.
Cheery, slán líomh.
The difference between marsin leave and marsin leth also crops up with slan leave or slan leth and tappa leave or tappa leth. Leave is used when speaking formally or to older people to show respect, but it's also used when you're speaking to more than one person. Leth is used when you're speaking to friends or to children.
Slán lecht a graig.
Slán líomh.
I cheannach. Seo.
Tapala. Cheery.
Marsin lecht.
Seo graag. I wil ook hier banje.
Tapalaf.
Eentje va.
Teisva.
Wel, tapla dyn ni, sef beha. Sio iau, slán lecht.
Tapalaf.
Marsin leat íon. O ham I dwlich I graag.
Fe mi sy'n ffodd ti sy'n fwy.
Marsin leat I graag.
Marsin leat.
Marsin lecht.
The grandfather said slán leth, slán leth, when he said goodbye to Ian the boy. But Ian said tappa leave, when he took the money. Listen again.
Slán lecht a graig.
Slán líomh.
I cheannach. Seo.
Tapala. Cheery.
Marsin lecht.
Seo graag. I wil ook hier banje.
Tapalaf.
Eentje va.
Teisva.
Sio iau, slán lecht.
Tapalaf.
Marsin leat íon. O ham I dwlich I graag.
Fe mi sy'n ffodd ti sy'n fwy.
Marsin leat I graag.
Marsin leat.
Marsin lecht.
People often give a reason for having to leave, especially when someone asks, Carson. Why? Carson. Here are a few phrases that you'll find useful. Look out especially for ski, tired, ski.
Fim mi falla va challam.
Person.
Ha mi ski. Ha mi dullich.
Kerst me.
Stallam stone, stallam hard heart.
When she sleeps, ma kujok.
Oh, mi dullich, fim mi fall af.
Cwrsion Alan.
Wel, ha da ua jek. Agus ha mi ski.
Trasht me. Eich fa.
Eich va. Motion leave.
Motion left, Danny.
Eich va?
Eich va.
Ha gleva.
It's all time filmed.
Gleva. Ha mi dwli. Ha ffilmir yn television. Ha. Mae sy'n la dy grai. Cheery.
And television. On the television. Ha film and television. There's a film on the television. Listen again.
Fim mi falla va challam.
Person.
Ha mi ski. Ha mi dullich.
Kerst me. Oh, mi dullich, fim mi fall af.
Cwrsion Alan.
Wel, ha da ua jek. Agus ha mi ski.
Trasht me. Eich fa.
Eich va. Motion leave.
Motion left, Danny.
Eich va?
Eich va.
It's all time filmed.
Gleva. Ha mi dwli. Ha ffilmir yn television. Ha. Mae sy'n la dy grai. Cheery.
Hello, Charlotte. How?
Hello, Rhoda. Ha mi dwlich a caffac arom.
Oh. Ha caffac orom. I'm in a hurry. Ha caffac orom.
Gleva. Ha. Ha mi dwlich. Fim mi fall af. A caffac arom. Kerst. Motion left.
Oh, ha mi dwlich. Ha mi dwlich a caffacaram, cheery.
Chalom.
A chanich, ha mi falaf. Ha caffacaram. Oh, ha mi falaf.
Ha caffac oram. I'm in a hurry. Ha caffac oram.
Ha caffac orom. I'm in a hurry. And in the last situation, instead of saying fe mi falav, I must go, the woman said ha mi a falav. I'm going, I'm leaving. Ha mi a falav. Listen again.
Gleva. Ha. Ha mi dwlich. Fim mi fall af. A caffac arom. Kerst. Motion left.
Oh, ha mi dwlich. Ha mi dwlich a caffacaram, cheery.
Chalom.
Ha caffacaram. Oh, ha mi falaf.
Bata. Boat. Bata. Ha and bata a falav. The boat is leaving. Ha and bata a falav. Look out for a falav in these next situations.
Chanich mi gai ori.
Siwyd y gyda'i.
Chanich. Yn dren yn falaf. Fim mi falaf.
Nulla na sé Polly.
Da nod agus da ichid scaling.
Tapalaf.
An bata fallaf I cwy gwren.
O chi.
Cys y foref.
Gris orst inis hamas y falaf.
Gleva.
Inis gris orst hamas y falaf.
Hagrai. Hamas y falaf.
Ha yn bus y falaf. Bus a bus. Ha yn bus y falaf. The bus is leaving. And trainer a train. Ha yn trainer y falaf. The train is leaving. And ha yn bata y falaf. The boat is leaving. Listen again.
Chanir na gai ori. Siwt y gyda'i. Chanir. Yn dren y falaf. Ddim y falaf.
An bata fallaf I cwy gwren.
O chi.
Cys y foref.
Inis gris orst hamas y falaf.
Hagrai. Hamas y falaf.
It's time to see how the MacLeods are getting on with their guests. Look out for the phrase, hi mi a ríist u. Hi mi a ríist u. I'll see you later. Hi mi a ríist u.
Here! Here!
Hamidullich war die Anna, hamidullich. Tapelat. Oiche va, hier mit isto. Oiche va, hier mit isto.
Hi mi a ríist sif. I'll see you later. Hi mi ríist sif.
Glenog. Femi mi falaf. Hi mi ríist sif. Marsin leave. Hi mi a ríist sif. I'll see you later. The less formal way is to use u instead of shiv. So you would say, hi mi a ríist u. Hi mi a ríist u. Listen again.
Hamidullich war die Anna, hamidullich. Tapelat. Oiche va, hier mit isto. Oiche va, hier mit isto.
A chalam has je falaf.
Weet je waar, Wallig?
Weet je waar? Zie je heerstje?
Well, Marsin leave.
Zijn leef.
Weet je waar?
Hi mi a ríist u. Listen again.
A chalam has je falaf.
Weet je waar, Wallig?
Weet je waar? Zie je heerstje?
Well, Marsin leave.
Zijn leef.
Weet je waar?
Well, I'm afraid that's all we've got time for this week. In our next programme, we'll be looking at how to say where you're going. Until then, Marsin leave maha. Hi mi a ríist sif.
In this programme, we introduced you to Marsin leave. Marsin leave. Slán líf. Slán líf. Fémi mi falaf. Fémi mi falaf. Ha mi dulich. Ha mi dulich. Eintje va. Eintje va. Ha mi sti. Ha mi sti. Ha kavak orom. Ha kavak orom. Ha een trainer y falaf. Han trainer y falaf. Hi mi rist schiff. Hi mi rist schiff.